Hi glowies, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm showing you how to recreate this super natural, no makeup look that's trending on Instagram. It's perfect for those morning classes or days when you want to look put together without trying too hard. Keep watching to see how to achieve this fresh, soft glam step by step. First, prep and refresh the skin. This will add moisture and helps makeup apply smoother. For the base, keep it light and natural. Just a thin layer of foundation to even out the skin tone. Don't worry about covering every little imperfection. Freckles and small marks can peek through. The key is keeping areas like the under eyes clean and bright for that flawless finish. Add a touch of cream blush and blend it into the skin. Then lightly set only the oily spots, especially around the eyes. Now onto the eyes, use a soft pink shade. Korean makeup often sticks to pinks and corals, but keeps the color light and within a small area, so it doesn't look puffy. Blend one simple shade across the top and bottom lids, and add a little egg cell to open up the eyes. For brows, matching them to the hair color works best. If the hair's already dyed, tinting the brows at the same time saves you from using brow mascara. Keep them fluffy and textured for that natural, full look. Next, go in with a soft eyeliner, just a thin line close to the lash line, and extend it slightly at the corners for a subtle lift. Even though the shadow is soft, the lashes should stand out. Use tweezers to gently bunch the lashes together for that clean, defined style. For the final touches, choose a soft, milky lip shade and add a little blush over the nose bridge to give a fresh vibe. Then dot on a few faux freckles to tie everything together. And that's the finished look. Simple, natural, and perfect for everyday wear.